Hello, I'm meteorologist Francis Credencer with the National Weather Service in Great Falls, and here is your weekly Thursday weather briefing for north central and southwest Montana. Before we get into the details of the forecast, I just wanted to briefly recap our extreme wind event on Wednesday. We knew several days ago that this was going to be one of our truly high-end, high-wind events, and if anything, it overperformed expectations in some areas. For the Rocky Mountain front through Cascade County, it was comparable to the February 1st event last year. However, for much of the rest of north central, central, and southwest Montana, this wind event was much stronger, with a veritable laundry list of peak gusts over 70 miles per hour. We'll be working on building an event summary over the next few days, so be sure to check our social media channels or our homepage for that when it is posted. An ice jam remains in the channel of the Jefferson River near Three Forks, with river levels fluctuating as a result. The next major weather system looks to bring significant snow to some of the mountain ranges in central and southwest Montana, with some lighter, lower elevation snow possible on the north central plains. Overall, a more active weather pattern can be expected next week, and temperatures will likely return a bit closer to normal. Additionally, signs are pointing towards cooler than normal weather in the week 2 period. Here's a look at the forecast for potential weather and hydrology impacts across north central and southwest Montana over the coming week. Feel free to pause this slide for review, but all will be covered more in depth in the coming slides. Snowpack remains fairly close to normal for most of our river basins, except for southwestern Montana, where basins remain a bit below normal for this time of year. The Jefferson River still has an ice jam causing issues near Three Forks. While the gauge has been reporting minor to moderate flooding since later Tuesday, local law enforcement reports no apparent water out of the channel, though there is plenty of ice in the channel. However, minor flooding of lowland areas is certainly possible, and we would appreciate any reports of flooding in the area. A few mountain snow showers are possible Friday night, but the next major weather system looks to impact the area starting Sunday and persisting into Monday. This map shows the potential for 4 inches or more of snowfall between midday Sunday and Monday evening. As you can see, the best chances are certainly over the mountains of central Montana, as well as the Madison and Gallatin ranges in southwest Montana. The best chance for plowable snow to impact major transportation corridors will likely be for Montana 200 between Belt and Lewistown Divide, as well as Bozeman Pass and U.S. Route 89 through the Little Belts. Some snow appears likely at lower elevations elsewhere, but amounts are currently forecast to be under an inch or 2. Rather gusty winds may also accompany the snow, so any areas that get heavier snow could have issues with blowing and drifting snow as well. The weather pattern will turn more active and a bit cooler for much of next week. This map shows forecast highs for next Wednesday, but it is pretty representative of the high temperatures expected the first half of next week. There may be another round of snow around midweek, but at this time it's not clear how significant snow amounts may end up being outside of the mountains. As we head toward the end of January, the forecast is tilted somewhat in favor of above normal precipitation. Meanwhile, the temperature forecast is more strongly in favor of a shift toward cooler than normal conditions across the entire state, which if it pans out would mark a significant departure from the above normal temperatures we've experienced most of the winter so far. The combination of below normal temperatures and above normal precipitation could mean increased snowfall chances, but at this time it's far too early to speculate on the strength or timing of any potential winter weather systems. Thank you for tuning in to our weekly weather briefing. For updates, please visit our homepage, and if you have any questions about upcoming weather, please don't hesitate to email or call. Have a great day.